This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow the activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States or one of his representatives will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. We interrupt our regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions and details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is KETV. We will continue to serve the Salt Lake City area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Salt Lake City area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. We interrupt our programming at the request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. All normal programming has been discontinued during this emergency. This is KETV. This station will continue furnishing news, official information and instructions for the Salt Lake City area. If you are not in Salt Lake City area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your area. It is important that you listen carefully to announcements from the station in your local area.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the President himself, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, United States Government, and the Salt Lake City Police Department. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. I'm so sorry, everyone. I'm afraid to say this, but this is the end of the world. The police officers have failed to cure all the V.I.R.U.S infection. As of right now, the infection will continue to infect the United States until everyone will be V.I.R.U.S infection. All attempts of taking down the infection have failed. There's nothing we can do to stop this. The infection will also be infecting the entire planet. Our residents are strongly advised to gather with friends and family. The best option is to hold each other's hands as we say goodbye to each other. We'll now sign off for our final time in our broadcast. Stay tuned for the final message in the emergency alert system. Goodbye, everyone. We will see each other soon in the afterlife.